Hi, boys and girls. Today we are we're just practicing the skill we've been working on, which is adding tens to any number. Repeat after me. I am learning to add tens to any number. So we have a start problem here. 25 frogs jump and 20 frogs swim. How many frogs in all? They have you breaking up 25. Do you know why? 20 is the tens that we're adding. It's just two tens. There's no extra ones. 25 is our any number. So when we say adding tens to any number, we're adding two tens to this number. And this number is harder because it has some extra ones. So we're going to want to break this up. You can break 25 up into 20 and 5. Now you can add, we had 20, 25. We have 20 frogs that swim. So there's my 20 frogs that swim. I can group it with my tens from 25, which is two tens or 20. And then I will want to remember to add those 5 extra ones. So 20 and 20, or two tens and two tens make 4 tens, which is 40, plus 5 more makes 45. So 45 frogs in all. Remember, that first step is to group our tens together and then make sure we go back and add our extra ones. We will be on pages 635 to 636. So go ahead and turn to page 635 and then you can follow along with me. All right, number 1, and I'm just going to go through the problems with you because it's our practice day. Some of them I'll give you a little more help, and some of them I'll expect for you to do on your own. So 70 small paper clips and 14 big paper clips. You can see the picture. Here's 70 or 7 tens, 14, 1 10, 4 ones. 70 small paper clips, 14 big paper clips. How many paper clips in all? So we're adding them because we want to figure out how many there is all together. First step, we're going to add our tens or count our tens and then add the extra ones. So go ahead and do that with whatever strategy you'd like to use. Remember, there's a couple different, I'm going to show you because this is kind of the fun part. You can, and if you can do it in all the ways, even better. So we have tens and ones. So you can make a picture just like this, but group your tens together. So you'll stack your tens here and then do your extra ones here. There's that base 10 picture way or place value chart. And then there's another way where you could do 70 plus 14, and you would break up your 14 into your tens and ones, and then you would add your tens. I think those are the two main ways we've talked about. So go ahead and solve this problem now. Press pause and then come back when you're ready. "40 green frogs and 25 yellow frogs. How many frogs in all?" And notice 40 is the tens that we're adding. 25 is the number we're adding it to. 40 is easy because there's no extra ones. So now you can break up your 25, add your 40 with your tens from your 25, and then your extra ones. Go ahead and solve that now on your own. And remember, you can do a place value chart, tens and ones, or you can add 40 plus 25 and then show that number bond with 25, which would be 20 and your extra ones. And then you can add this first. Don't forget about your extra ones though. Number 3 on your Apply It problems, 17 triangles and 20 squares. How many shapes in all? Show your work. Go ahead and solve this with whatever strategy you like. Press pause, solve it as you work, or solve it with a strategy, place value chart, or the number bond, and then you can come back when you're all done. Problem number 4, 19 red buttons and 60 blue buttons. How many buttons in all? So you're just going to solve this and you're going to pick which one is the correct answer. So you have 19 red, 60 blue. Use a strategy to solve this. Either the picture with tens and ones to show 19 and 60, or you can add your 60, your tens, with 19 and then break up that 19. Go ahead and solve this, pick and circle the correct answer. Number 5, Boom says 20 plus 12 is the same as 20 plus 10 plus 2. Is he right? How do you know? Is 20 plus 12 the same as 20 plus 10 plus 2? I want you to write yes or no if he's right, and then explain how you know. And you can explain how you know by drawing a picture of 20 plus 10 plus 2 and 20 plus 12. What would that look like? And the correct answer is yes, he is right. So you'll want to explain how you know he's right. Last one, problem number 6. Kira plants 24 sunflowers. Nick plants 30 sunflowers. How many sunflowers all together? So you're just solving 24 sunflowers, 30 sunflowers, how many all together? Make sure to group your tens, add your extra ones, use a place value chart with a picture, your base 10 blocks, or 30 plus 24, and then you'll want to break up that 24 into its tens and ones to solve it. Once you've finished all of your problems and you have an answer for all of them, and maybe you've checked with an adult if you can, you do have an exit ticket. And it's a Google form. So remember, I did add in feedback on these, so you'll want to make sure that you check the feedback in your answers when you're all done. So type in your number, name, watch this video because I explained to you how to do the exit ticket, and tell me what strategy you used, or maybe you used multiple strategies, and how you feel about adding tens to any number.